Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about Printful versus Printify 2023. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Today, we will discuss these two heavyweight print-on-demand platforms, which is Printful and Printify. So if you're eager to start your own online print-on-demand business, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll be providing a detailed comparison of both platforms, looking into their pricing, features, dashboards, and more. And by the end, you'll have all the information you need to make an informed decision for your online store. So let's head over into explaining Printful. So here's what Printful website looks like. So this platform is well established and known for its extensive product range and seamless integration. With various e-commerce platforms, signing up is a breeze. So here's how you'll do it. Just click on sign up and then put in all the informations that are needed and then you're ready to go. But before we explore the dashboard, let's take a look first at Printful's pricing. So we're just gonna go to Printful pricing guide, and then from there would be able to see the comparison regarding the free plan and also the one wherein you'll be able to upgrade your experience for an extra fee. So feel free to read through that so that you'd be able to choose which one you prefer. And then you can also scroll down for more details regarding the Printful Enterprise and also regarding other details on their product pricing. So we have DTG here, AOP, and also we could see how much you could make and the calculating the final price. Now going back to the dashboard, so once you sign up, this is where you'll be able to manage your store, add products, and see your orders. Printful's user-friendly interface and beginner guides makes it a perfect choice for those new to the print-on-demand world. And since we just recently made our account, so there are next steps in here that is more like a guide on what we should be doing next to complete our account. So for the first step in here is design your first product or the product creation with Printful. Creating a product with Printful is a breeze. You have access to a wide variety of customizable templates. You'll need to simply select a product for this, choose the colors, sizes, and add your design. So take a look on how we're going to do it. So click on create a product. Next, let's choose which product we're going to be doing. So we'll choose t-shirts. And then there are also designs in here that we could choose. So you just need to click onto that. And right after, you'd be able to see where you can edit and also you can drop your design onto the drop your design here. So you'll just need to click on that. And then if you have a pre-designed template, you could add it in here. So right after that, you can save your design. So next up, we'll try to look at the order management with Printful. So when you receive orders, Printful handles the fulfillment process for you. So you can see all your orders in one place and even import orders from other platforms like Shopify. And speaking of platforms, Printful also integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. This ensures a smooth experience for managing your online store. So there are a lot of stores in here, so you'll just need to skim through it, and then you'd be able to see all of the available stores in here. Now, let's move on to Printify. So like Printful, Printify is a powerful print-on-demand platform with a focus on offering competitive prices. So here's how you can sign up for free. So just head to printify.com and start creating your store. So the same process like earlier, click on the sign up button, add in all the information needed, and then you're good to go. Now let's talk about Printify's pricing. Printify is known for its lower base prices, allowing you to set competitive retail prices and potentially boost your profit margin. So if you're looking for affordability, Printify could be a stronger contender. So as you can see, there are three options in here, which is free, premium, and enterprise. So read through it so that you can choose correctly which one do you prefer. So going back to the signing up process, you'll just need to answer a couple of questions in here so that they would know what one is your main objective. Then right after that, you'll be able to land on the dashboard. This platform offers a wide selection of products, especially excelling in apparel categories like t-shirts and hoodies. So as you can see on the welcome on board or their dashboard, it is the same as Printful. So they also have a checklist on what you should be doing. So for the first one that we have in there is also the product creation. So creating a product with Printify is also a breeze. They offer an extensive range of products with customizable options, including print types, colors, and sizes. So let's try to see in here what we could do regarding the product creation. So here you'll be able to see the products that you'd be able to choose. So let's try to choose this one. And from here, you'd be able to see the option of start designing so that you'd be able to add in your template or design if you have one. Or you can also customize while on the website. So you can add in a text or choose from those platforms if you want to add a pre-designed template. Then right after that, you can click save. So regarding print providers, so you'll just need to click on catalog, then you'll see print providers there. It is essential to know that Printify relies on a network of print providers worldwide. While this reduces shipping times, it's crucial also to check ratings and reviews of the providers to ensure top-notch print quality and customer service. So from there, you'd be able to see the different providers that are available in Printify. And just like Printful, Printify also integrates with major e-commerce platforms, allowing you to connect your store effortlessly. So, so there are a lot of stores in here that you could choose from, such as Shopify, Etsy, and then Walmart. So you'll just need to connect to them if you would like to do so. So that is how both of the platform works, and that was quite a thorough comparison of both platforms. So they both have their strengths and are well suited for different types of businesses. But if you're looking for a platform with a vast product range and excellent customer support, Printful might be the way to go. On the other hand, if you prioritize competitive pricing and a customizable product selection, then Printify could be the winner on that side. Whichever platform you choose, remember to explore their features and pricing to make the best decision for your unique online store. So if you're ready to get started, links to both platforms are provided in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your print on demand journey.